You are going to love the 2023 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, cruise control, hands-free communication, trip computer, locking rear differential, pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, engine immobilizer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.